All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us. Well, onto the matter, Yoruba nation are going back. Exactly what the people are still talking about and exactly what it is. Well, my people, a lot of things are actually happening right now. Well, this Yoruba nation, at Igbano, this Yoruba nation finally actualized, either you like it or not. And meanwhile, a message had been sent to all Yoruba people. My brother, my sister, no be small something. No message to all Yoruba people all over the world, wherever you are. This is a very great message, and this had been sent by one of the Yoruba nation woman, an elderly woman, had actually talked a lot about this. Well, I was just listening to her. She said a lot of points, and for the benefit of those who do not understand Yoruba, I will be, paraphrasing some of these things. My brother, my sister, you need to sit back and then understand, enjoy, listen carefully. Onto this one, she actually talked about the fact that, the Yoruba people, in fact, we have a lot of traitors in Yoruba land, according to what she has said, of which we already know. And right now, she talked about the fact that majority of people are, insulting somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho. You are coming out insulting somebody like Professor Banji Akintoye. For what? For what? In fact, and she made mention of something, and I was so attached to that, talking about the fact that you can never hear the Igbo people insult Nnamdi Kanu. That is why the Yoruba people can never make it. According to this lady, she's a Yoruba woman. She said a lot of things, that we have a lot of traitors in Yoruba land. What right do you have to insult somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho with everything that that man had done? And a lot of people were talking about the fact that, Sunday Igboho collected money from politicians, did that. And she said, she gave that point that, with all the things that Chief Sunday Igboho actually faced in his house, for somebody that is as wealthy as that, lost a lot of, billions of naira. We are not even talking about millions right now. If somebody like that actually collected money from politicians, do you even have to come out to say it? Of which this same money they are talking about is still our money. This woman actually spoke at length that you don't even have the right. This is to tell you that the Yoruba people are not the kind of people you can help. That, with all the suffering that Chief Sunday Igboho actually faced, with all the humiliations, look at all his properties destroyed. Yet this man, even when politicians were visiting him, I could remember vividly when one of these Afar came out, Afar Shitu. He talked about the fact that even Tinubu begged him to call, to beg Chief Sunday Igboho, to the extent they sent MC Oluomo that Chief Sunday Igboho should forget about Yoruba nation. At least I will remember that one. That if Sunday Igboho should forget about Yoruba nation, that this Yoruba nation cannot take him anywhere, that they are going to give him millions of naira. And this man still rejected that. No way, Yoruba nation, So what are we saying? That you people now came out now insulting the people that God has brought out to save you. You are insulting somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho. You are insulting Professor Banji Akintoye. That the God of these people will definitely catch up with you people. Nemesis will catch up with you people, because these people are are actually fighting from the whole of their hearts. To the extent he said some set of people are even insulting Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, of which Mrs. Modupe Onitiri on her own actually messed up, because for you to be saying you don't even want to work with some set of people, you don't want to work with these politicians, that's where the error started from. At least let us achieve this Yoruba nation first. Then later we'll not talk about maybe separating. But no, she got it all wrong. But meanwhile, nobody is above mistake, according to what she has said. I actually learned a lot of things from what she said, that nobody is above mistake, that anybody can make that mistake. But the thing is, we all need to understand ourselves. This is not the way we will make this Yoruba nation to be achieved. That the problem with Yoruba people is that they are never satisfied. By the time they see that, you are the one reigning today, they run and follow you. By the time they see that, this other person is the one reigning, they run and follow that person. And then, how do you want this to be achieved? That a lot of people will be saying, oh, they have collected money from politicians. They have done this, they have done that. Of which you that you are talking, you are the major thief. That you are talking, you are the ones that have collected a lot of money. If the Yoruba people actually know what they are doing, they don't even have the right to come out and be insulting their leaders. They don't have to come out and be insulting their elders. The Igbos, you can never see these Igbo people come out and insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. For what? Because they know what they are after. The Yorubas, according to what she has said, they are not wise at all. And because of what they will eat, that's exactly the major problem. Where they see that, oh, this is where it's happening, they forget about somebody who had been suffering. For somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho to, to have left Nigeria for another country, not that, he actually wanted, but because of the Yoruba people, because of the suffering, he sacrificed everything, sacrificed a lot. And this same Chief Sunday Igboho, you are still insulting. What is the meaning of this? Why are Yoruba people behaving in this manner? In fact, she made mention of the fact that the God of Professor Banji Akintoye will fight anyone who had been insulting that man. That the God of Chief Sunday Igboho will fight anyone who had been insulting Chief Sunday Igboho. Even the God of, he talked about this man in UK, Koiki Media. Said this man, even before he came to Nigeria then, he left his family, left everybody. He came to Nigeria. He fought with the little he could. He tried his best. Yet people are still insulting him that he's embezzling money. If you are saying these people are embezzling money or they are collecting money from politicians, then have you asked yourself that this money that the politician are spending, where did they get it from? Is it not the masses' money? According to what she even said, she said one great thing, that even if right now, if the politician gives you money, collect, still follow your Yoruba nation. If that is what you people are saying, even if they give Chief Sunday Igboho money henceforth, he should collect and still do what he has to do. Because this Yoruba nation must go. This Yoruba nation must be actualized. Like one of the Yoruba nation agitators was talking about the 1999 constitution and the 1963 constitution. That as far as the 1999 constitution remains, forget it that is a Yoruba man that had been elected. Forget it, because it's still these Fulani people that will still take over, because it's their rules and regulation you still follow. And then I actually got something from a brother yesterday. He said, you are shouting, oh, thank God it's a Yoruba man that is there. Do you know what the Yoruba man has promised the Fulani before they rigged that election for him? A lot of people were saying, oh, the Yoruba people had earlier said that there won't be election in Yoruba land. Now they have done election. And she said, is that how election should go? Is that one election? Is that one election? If you actually want to follow it squarely, you understand that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not win that election. So for you that is insulting somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho, insulting Professor Banji Akintoye, insulting all the people that God want to use to get Yoruba nation actualized, she laid a curse on those people that God will destroy them one after the other. Because they are all thieves. They will be the one to come out and be saying, oh, they have collected money from politicians. Meanwhile, they are the ones selling position. They are the one making money through this. It's what they are doing. They are saying other people are doing. This is too bad. Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what the people are still talking about. And according to what she said even when Igboho, as far as, no, even as Igboho is in Benin Republic, is still rescuing a lot of people, a lot of Yoruba people that have been arrested. This man actually laid down his life, laid down everything to fight for this Yoruba nation struggle. But at the end of it all, they are paying him back with evil. And then she said something. I think I have to talk about this one, which is she talks about the fact that at the end of it all, this Yoruba nation, either they like it or not, it will be actualized. It will be achieved. It's a matter of time. Though we don't know the time, we don't know the hour, but it is set because it's divine. is from God. Because I always talk about the fact that for Chief Sunday Igboho to have escaped that invasion, my brother, my sister, it's not by his power. Yes, for Chief Sunday Igboho to have escaped that invasion, 300 DSS. That is to tell you that there is God in this movement. And I love that thing she ended with, that either they like it or not, Yoruba nation shall be actualized. And exactly what it is. God will continue to punish everyone that has been causing Chief Sunday Igboho, who God has used to bless the Yoruba people. And God is still using him. So everybody needs to pray very hard in any which way, in any way you can pray. Because at the end of it all, it's still God that will still save these Yoruba people. Or else, a lot of things will go wrong. All right, my people, and then exactly what it is right now onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.